Hi everybody, it's Barbara Campbell, Brooklyn independent digital music artist creator from Crown Heights. It's a beautiful day. Thank you so much for participating and joining our BC original rehearsal. This is a new guitar. I call it the Black Beauty, and today I did a instrumental. I love playing the guitar, this instrument, upright, and I just like to play it upright sometimes. So today that's what I did, and I'm practicing playing in this format. So lots to learn, so tune back in, and I hope you enjoyed my solo instrumental today. And tune back, and for more, visit us on our social media pages. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be subscribed on Barbara Campbell email list so you can get the latest information or news as we're getting ready for our new year up ahead, 2023. So right now, as I mentioned, little details, lots to learn. And what I'm working on, as I mentioned before, we're doing digital live concerts, but also love to perform at a near town near you, and that takes a lot of organizing and preparing. So be part of our support team, our fan team, and be proactive in helping to move Barbara Campbell music forward. So I'll talk to you at the next minute. I'll be live on air on Barbara Campbell Television. I'll talk to you later. Till then, you count your eyes, stay green, and don't forget to vote. Bye-bye.